Hi, this is Joe from howtoformanllc.org, and today we're going to form an LLC in the state of Nebraska. Now, to get started, if you're watching this on YouTube, you want to click on the link right in the description so you can get caught up with us. And the first thing that we're going to do is, chances are you probably have the name in your mind of the LLC you want to make. So we want to check to make sure that the LLC name is available. So before we get ahead of ourselves, we're going to go to the Nebraska LLC search, which is right on our website. You just click the link, wait a few seconds, and we have a web page that works with the Nebraska Secretary of State, and you'll be able to search your LLC in the big white window down here in just a second. There it loads, and what you do is just click one of these buttons, search for corporation/entity. Name starts with would probably be the best one, and you just click in here, type what it is, type in the CAPTCHA, and you can search. So once you do that, you can go back and we can start the process. In Nebraska, they still do paper filings, which is fine. Which just means that we have to fill out the Nebraska Articles of Organization. So you just click that link right there, and it will bring you to the PDF page for the Articles of Organization for the state. And what you do is you just fill it right in. Name of the Limited Liability Company, just type in the name, period of duration. Chances are that your LLC is not going to have an end date, so you just leave this blank. Purpose for which it's organized, and all the way down the line. It's very easy questions that they ask you, and if you have any questions about it, you can just email us. We'll let you know what they're really asking if you don't understand. And you sign, write out a check for a filing fee for $100, and you want to mail it. Go back to, once you fill this all out, you want to save it and then print it and mail to this address that we have right here, again along with the $100. Now, in the state of Nebraska, right when you get your LLC back, you will have to issue public notice of your new company, which means you will have to place an ad in the newspaper that will have to run at least once per week for 3 consecutive weeks. And I know that sounds like a doozy, but if you just call up the Daily Reporter at this number, they make it really, really easy for you. It'll probably just be a publication fee, and either the newspaper or they'll send you what's called an affidavit of publication, which proves your public announcement. And once you get this back from the newspaper, you have to send it back to the Secretary of State's office at this address. And that's it, you're good. You made an LLC in the state of Nebraska. Now, while you're going to have a little bit of time waiting on your LLC and doing a few other things, if you're looking to make a bank account with your LLC, which I would assume that you are, you're going to need to get a tax ID number for it. So this is what the bank's going to ask for. And you want to just click right on this apply for an EIN number. Now, the best part about this is it's totally free. You can do it in about 5 minutes, and yes, even though it's the IRS, it is very easy. So you just click on this Apply Online Now button, and it'll walk you right through it. You don't have to talk to anybody, and they'll give you an instant number. Another thing you might want to look at is LLC operating agreement. A lot of LLCs do not, or at least at the state level, they do not ask for who owns your LLC. And so this is the only official way to state who owns your LLC, especially if you have partners. This is highly, highly recommended. But that's it. That's all you need to know about Nebraska LLCs.